Okay guys, on this problem, we're going to but we're going to look at a simple interest and compound interest account. Josh has $1,000. He will deposit into two separate savings accounts for 4 years. What will be his total balance after 4 years? So in count one, he's going to deposit $500 at 5% for simple interest. And in count two is $500, 4% compound interest. This is very, very important. Two separate formulas here. So let's go ahead and look at account one. We know simple interest is I equals PRT. We've already been working with this formula, so we know that simple interest is I equals PRT. P is the principal, 500. R is the rate, 5%. And T is the time. Right here, they gave us the time, 4 years. Now, some of us have calculators that actually compute the 5%, but some don't. So we need to make sure we know that we move the decimal left. So we have 500 times 0.05 times 4. So simple interest is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and put in 500, 0.05, and 4. And it looks like our interest will be $100. Now remember, this is a savings account, and this is how much money he's earning on $500 after 4 years. Now let's look at account number two. Compound interest, if we look at our mathematics reference chart, our formula is A equals P, that's my principal, times 1 plus the rate to the time power. So the total amount, that's what this A stands for, is total amount. The principal is 500 times 1 plus the rate. The rate is 4%. And the time power is 4. Remember, that's like an exponent or power. Okay, so I need to change this 4% so that we don't get it mixed up. So we have 500 times 1 plus 0.04 and the exponent of 4. Okay, let's go ahead and put this in our calculator. So we have 500 times 1 plus 0.04. Make sure you power up. Make sure you put it in your exponent. Enter. So that looks like our total amount that will be in... Whoop, I messed up. Let me document B that and start over. So I have 500 times 1 plus 0.04 power up to the 4 years. Here we go. 584.93. All right, so if I'm looking at this, I can see that the total amount in this account is $584.93. This is how much money will be in the account when you deposit $100 at 4% at compound interest. But if we're looking at this amount and our simple interest amount, we can see that there's a huge difference. This compound interest gives us the total amount that's in this account. Simple interest only gives us the interest. So what we have to do with our simple interest formula is go back and add $500 plus $100. So now our total amount in this account is $600. Now it says, what will his total balance be after the 4 years? So if we're looking for total amount, that means we have to add 584.93 plus the 600. So if Josh had two accounts, one at simple interest and one at compound interest, we're going to take these two amounts and we're going to add them so that we can find out his total amount that he will have after 4 years of having these amounts in his savings accounts. This is how we find simple interest and compound interest. Remember, simple interest, you have to go back and add your beginning deposit to get the total amount that's in the account. Compound interest gives you the total amount that's in the account.